Today I'm going to remove the baffle on my Scorpion exhaust on my GP300. I think the first thing we'll do is we'll listen to it with the baffle in place and then we'll take it out. So let's just turn it on. So, not a bad sound that, but let's see what we can do with the baffle out. Now, it takes an Allen key to remove this, and it just so happens that this one, which came with some furniture assembly or a toy, just happens to fit beautifully. So we'll put that in there and we'll get that out. So that's coming out fairly easily, and the baffle should just pull straight out. That'll be a little bit of fiddling there. But there it is, and that's the actual baffle. Not had a lot of use at the moment, the bike, because of the lockdown, but a bit of carbon on the end there. But now what we'll do is we'll try the bike with the baffle out. So that's the difference in noise levels and sound with the baffle in and the baffle out. I'd be interested to hear what people think. I might leave it out for a little while and see what I think. But like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll speak soon.